Hello everybody, here I am trying this fruit called meringue fruit. I've heard of this fruit before, but Miami Fruit has it frozen now and they sent it out to me to try, so I'm really excited. This can grow in the tropics, but it really needs a greenhouse to grow it here in South Florida, so it needs a very tropical fruit. I'll show you some pictures of what it looks like, but it's in the same family as jackfruit and breadfruit, and I'm going to try it right now for the first time. Obviously it doesn't come like this on the tree. They take this out, but it looks like a super mini jackfruit with a seed inside. Wow. There's the seed. It's like a white seed. Interesting. I like the flavor with all these little seeds in this little pod. That's interesting. It has a vanilla flavor. I encourage everybody to try new fruits. So I'll put the link below to Miami Fruit and you can get some meringue. Definitely worth trying something new. And this is one I've been wanting for a long time, so I'm going to scratch that off my bucket list. Meringue. If I can grow it, I would, but I can't, so I won't. But I got Miami Fruit if I want them. All right, here's my neighbor Rami's going to try this. It's called meringue.
All right.
Meringue. So take a piece out of that. Have you ever heard of it?
I've heard of it, but I'm not sure if I've...
It looks beautiful. It looks like a white jackfruit almost.
Let's see. It's nice. I'll have to try another.
Yeah, go ahead.
To really get a taste of it. It's kind of still frozen.
Take several, yeah. That's fine.
Very nice.
Yeah, I could see us having a tree. It's very tropic, so I don't know if it'll grow here unless you have a greenhouse.
It's very
to
nice.
Protect it.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah, it's like a vanilla jackfruit almost.
Yeah. Vanilla.
Yeah.
Very vanilla.
Yeah. He gets one more piece here, or many more pieces, but we're going to get as many people to try it. Meringue. Yeah, so that's meringue. You can pick some up. The link's below. That's meringue.
Excellent.
Thank you, man. All right, this is my friend Chris. He's going to taste this fruit. It's called meringue. You can't grow it fresh here. It comes from Asia. It's frozen, but it thawed out. What do you think? Interesting, right?
The inside of the chewy part is good.
Yeah. Tastes like what? Vanilla, maybe?
Kind of like banana.
Banana, yeah. Right. Huh?
I got excited.
You want to try? No, this is something else. You want to try?
Try it.
This is called meringue.
Oh, meringue. Basically a banana?
Banana.
Yeah.
It's quite interesting.
What's it called?
Meringue. And just taste it.
Come on, man. You're sliding away. That's a banana, man.
Like a banana.
That's a banana.
Yeah. Banana taffy or something.
That's a banana.
Like the taffy. Remember the taffy, the candy you chew like a banana?
Never been a candy.
Banana.
Yeah, no.
Yeah, that's the candy. Yeah, it grows white here.
Yes. There you go. That's good, Paul.
All right, everybody. Here's another friend of ours who's going to taste this fruit called meringue fruit. This is in the jackfruit and breadfruit family. You just take a piece out there and try it. It looks like a white jackfruit.
Slippery.
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting smell. Has a very unusual tangy. Can I try another one?
Yeah.
can't quite make it out. It's a little citrusy. I don't dislike it, but it's not that yummy to me. It's a very interesting taste profile. I can't quite put my finger on it. It does have a little sweetness to it, but it's kind of overtaken by some, to me, weird tanginess. And again, I didn't know any of these things existed before 6 months ago.
All right, thank you.
Thank you for letting me try.
All right, Will's gonna taste one of these. It's called Marang. It's from Southeast Asia.
So you grow this, or
No,
where is
no.
this from?
This is a company that ships it frozen from Southeast Asia.
Okay. You mean freeze dried?
Is a seed.
No.
Or actually
It
frozen?
has seeds.
Can you grab me a mug, please? I gotta.
How is that?
But
What do you think? What does it
Sweet.
taste like?
You can't touch birdie.
almost like a pear, right?
Yeah.
Interesting. It's almost savory.
It has seeds, so be careful.
Things like big seeds.
What do you think? How does it taste?
I'm trying to think.
Yeah, the baby had the
It's
seeds.
very interesting. It almost has a savory taste. I'm trying to identify it on the spot. Interesting. It's a completely different taste now that I've chewed the seed too, so it's confusing me. The seed almost tastes like a pumpkin seed at the end. Hear
To
it
me,
too.
it tastes like a pear, like
I could kind of see pear a little bit, but there's I don't know. It's good.
baby.
The aftertaste is really good. Diferente que algo que sabes.
Trátalo. You don't know what I'm talking about.
Ella sabe buena.
Yeah, I know what guaga. I
sabe.
know exactly what you're talking about. Where are you going? Who's that crazy girl?
Sabe igual, guanábana.
Guanábana. No,
It's
You
not.
like it? You think it tastes like? You think it tastes like guanabana?
Guanábana.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone in the United States growing this meringue fruit, and I've always wanted to taste it. But you can taste it now. You can order from miamifruit.org. I'll put their website below the video in the description. They ship it frozen, but it tastes delicious. Order it now and try this new fruit. The link is below.